Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Windows 10 Start menu web searches. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Right-click new key named as Explorer. Right-click new, DWord 32-bit value. Type disable search box suggestions, D, S, B, and S are capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry editor. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.